Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma.
And I am Vishakha Thakur. The price of Bitcoin plummeted to a 4-month low on Monday, falling over 6% before settling around $55,500.
This continues a weeks-long decline that has seen Bitcoin lose roughly 20% of its value since its March peak.
And the broader crypto market mirrored Bitcoin's woes, with major tokens like Ether and Solana experiencing similar price drops.
However, Bitcoin has recovered from its low of $55,000 and is now trading near the $57,000 range. This rise was attributed to easing US CPI data report.
Right, so the overall crypto market plummeted significantly, like Bitcoin Cash, a crypto created by a hard fork of Bitcoin blockchain in 2017, fell 20% last week, its biggest slide since April. Not only BCH, other major altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, DogeCoin, ETC, ENS, and Stacks also faced losses.
The slump in crypto prices led to hefty liquidations in the derivatives markets, according to crypto data firm CoinGlass, which suggests that 229,755 traders had their positions worth a combined $639.5 million.
Exactly, and this was also because of defunct Bitcoin exchange Mt. Gox, which announced to repay nearly $9 billion worth of tokens to victims affected during the 2014 Mt. Gox hack.
The payout followed a protracted bankruptcy process that involved multiple delays and legal challenges. The court-appointed trustee overseeing the exchange's bankruptcy proceedings announced distributions to the firm's roughly 20,000 creditors would begin in early July.
So disbursements were paid in a mix of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, an early offshoot of the crypto or original cryptocurrency. And while this is good news for victims of the hack who have spent years waiting to be made whole, the price of Bitcoin slid to $59,000 last week, in the crypto market's second worst weekly decline of the year.
According to Kaiko, on July 5th, the day Mt. Gox announced reimbursements, slippage in BCH markets listed on Bybit rose to 2.8% from 0.2% and on Itbit to 3.5% from 0.3%. The poor liquidity coincided with strong selling pressure related to the Mt. Gox repayments event, with the highest slippage increase observed on Itbit and Bybit.
So now, despite the selling pressure, industry insiders predict that Bitcoin prices will rise again at the end of the year after the Mt. Gox repayments elevate selling pressure. So CC data analysts predict that Bitcoin has not yet reached its current appreciation cycle's peak and is likely to reach a new all-time high.
Bitcoin whales have been increasing their stash during the recent downswing, with large holders boosting their stack by 6.3% over the past month.
And other bullish factors such as an Ether ETF being approved in the US and continued growth of US stock indices signal that 2024 will experience continued upside despite signs of short-term exhaustion.
Now, talking about the second largest cryptocurrency, Ethereum, the race to launch a spot Ether exchange-traded fund is heating up. Major asset managers including VanEck, Grayscale, Fidelity, BlackRock, 21 Shares, Franklin Templeton, and Bitwise have filed amended S1 registration statements with the US SEC.
So recently, Invesco and Galaxy announced they will charge a 0.25% management fee for their proposed spot Ether ETF, slightly higher than VanEck's 0.20%. And interestingly, Bloomberg analysts James Safard and Eric Balchunas predict that Ethereum ETFs could launch around July 15, while Polymarket bettors believe trading will start before July 26.
Despite the potential ETH ETF launch, some long-term holders are re-entering the market. Look On-chain reports that Golem, which raised 820,000 ETH during its ICO, moved 26,000 ETH to exchanges including Binance, Bitfinex, and Coinbase. Another whale moved 7,240 ETH worth $21.4 million to Kraken, realizing an estimated profit of $12.8 million.
So talking specifically about the interesting developments within the Ethereum ecosystem, Tron founder Justin Sun has purchased $5 million worth of Ether ahead of potential ETF approval, and Sun acquired 1,614 ETH at $3,097 each and has been accumulating Ether since February, amassing 362,751 ETH valued at approximately $1.1 billion.
Sun's recent actions also include depositing 45 million USDT to Binance, suggesting future Ethereum acquisitions.
Correct. In another interesting development, the amount of Ether staked is nearing a record high. In a note shared with CoinDesk, Julio Moreno, CryptoQuant's head of research, mentioned the total number of staked ETH has continued to increase and sits near its all-time high as it stands at 33.3 million ETH or 27.7% of total supply.
Simultaneously, in a move to bolster Ethereum security, the Ethereum Foundation has announced the launch of Actathon, a time box audit competition. The Ethereum Foundation has seeded the reward pool with an initial $500,000 and is encouraging ecosystem sponsors to contribute.
So now moving on to that one blockchain that has been gaining a lot of traction lately, the Open Network aka TON blockchain, which is associated with Telegram Messenger LLP, has experienced a significant surge in value this year, with assets logged on the blockchain skyrocketing by 1,400%, briefly exceeding $1 billion.
The number of daily active users on TON has recently surpassed 350,000. The recent surge on the blockchain can be attributed to the popularity of mini apps like play-to-earn games like Hamster Combat and DogeCoin.
So the total value logged in the TON blockchain has surpassed $600 million, a doubling from 3 weeks ago and currently exceeds $670 million. TON has gained popularity as the preferred platform for Web3 integration by Telegram, with a user base of over 900 million worldwide.
The rise in TON's network activity is due to the popularity of crypto mini-games on Telegram such as DogeCoin, Catizen and Hamster Combat, which allow users to earn in-game currencies, potentially leading to a real token airdrop.
Right. Telegram's tap-to-earn games have just done wonders for the TON blockchain as they are driving significant growth within the TON ecosystem. So these games offer engaging mechanics and real rewards, attracting millions of users and highlighting the potential of blockchain integration on the Telegram platform.
The success of Hamster Combat, TapSwap and DogeCoin demonstrates the potential of tap-to-earn games to introduce new users to the blockchain and crypto through the TON ecosystem. Integrating this model with Telegram's widespread platform, these games are at the forefront of merging entertaining gameplay with the opportunity for real-world rewards.
Additionally, a partnership with Tether has also boosted the usage of USDT on TON, and the circulation of USDT stablecoins on the open network has reached 500 million, marking a significant increase.
That's on this episode of Weekly Wrap. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off.
And this is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. Have a great weekend.